I was forced to say sorry for something I did not do, and I was asked to apologize for them from them. And at that time, my mother was dying, so I had to say sorry and I apologize. She just died. And I'm here, unfortunately, I became a devil. So I hope I will come to
Yes, sir. Kasi for you guys, your qualifications, you forgot and it's like really normal, you know. Sir, kahit mamatay pa yung magulang ko, walang nagbabayad sa amin. And we've done this for many administrations, not just for the Marcos administration. But there's somebody who call out, we call out. Pero, people who don't like what you say asks you to investigate us. Pero sir, cyber libel always exists. So pwede kaming kasuhan. Sir, you cannot go into politics and expect. Hey! So there's another way, and it's up to you. It's not up to us, it's up to you. Sir, the way you did it, you normal people, then you shouldn't have it. Wala, sana pinag-istigan nyo na kami, pina-ample lang na kami, pag nakita nyo, wala naman palang proof na meron kami nagbabayad sa amin.
Pinatulong pa, pinasuhan nyo na lang kami.
Because sir, para sa inyo, this is just another day at your job. But this is just another day sa job ninyo. Pero you've been affecting the lives of normal Filipinos. Like her, like some of us, we can take it. Like Trixie, she's a lawyer. But some of us are just normal people. Alam mo sir. So maybe for you guys, we're just a job for you. But pero sir, you chose to have this life. We are normal people na nagrereklamo lang. Kasi you chose this life. We have no stake. We have no professional stake.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you cannot go. Ako sir.
She's the most affected kasi she's a mother.
Sir, ako sir, I understand.
Even kanina, ang daming pasama.
Kasi MJ, she's very demure, she's very hindi na kaya sir. Ako naiintindihan ko namin trabaho lang kasi sino kung sino ako.
Diba, an eye for an eye makes the whole world better.
We went just
why we need to set up standards and parameters. Kasi kita natin talaga wala parang we used to have it.
So alam mo, and then sinabi niya recently,
Meron akong inaral ko lahat ng
Sabi sa bigat sa
sabihin niya ako
we
sa
asked them sa
Well, that's why I knew. that I was there because of him. So I
So
did
ikaw
that.
sa Metro, hindi pa.
So, para we can try to look at it as well.
Sir, if you just know that we're just normal people, normal lang kami. Na nag-aano naman,
Ibang klase rin eh.
kahit nakapagpapasok kami, bigyan siya mga pera namin, which is normal people.
Pero alam mo kasi ako, ang way of thinking ko kanina,
Sir, mamatay ba
Gawa
namin?
namin, sir, kung ano man yung
let's try to find it out kung ano magkakaroon ng solution.
Yeah, you cannot just forget it because
No, I understand you. Naiintindihan ko rin kayo. But of course, things happen during the committee
Hindi
hearings.
ako na tsaka sir,
And
sir.
you know,
for your information,
Hindi po ako
it's a
nagmumura, sir.
it's part of it.
Kung may
Pero
nagmumura sa
alam mo,
amin,
sabi ko nga, kailangan we're all together in this. Hindi kaya. Kasi yung mga point of view nyo, kailangan din namin.
yun na nga, sir, we live on social media. Do you know that in an average day, nakakadima ako na masasabihin, pro-China ka. Sir, we are kapag dito sa akin, like that I went to China. Pero kung titignan niyo yung post ko, hindi ko dinidefend ang China. Hindi na.
Sa iyo, wala kang gano'n.
Wala akong like,
Ang problem lang, because one group kayo na
yun na nga.
I understand that. Kasi hindi ko kasi naman ba kasi lahat eh. Wala akong
Tapos
gano'n eh.
patatamaan
Saka
pa
sir,
ako.
this was a hearing.
I'm very happy that important.
So this was a hearing as resource people, but we were never allowed
Galileo
to
was a
speak.
scientist and he was right, but he was silent. Yun yung point namin.
Have people
That when you knee-jerk
Kasi if
reaction
you're just going to let us one side,
then
parang ma-embarrass lang kami doon. No one will come na sabi, no one will come.
We're talking about the greatest right that the Constitution guarantees us. Pagkatapos, ganun lang pag-uusapan, nasaktan kasi siya because of something that he said.
So she was
Then we're happy, sue us for libel.
She was unnecessary.
Pero yung ganito, alam naman natin, kinokontrol niyo yung environment.
Hindi kaya. Hindi kasalanan life ko. This is not our life.
Wala kasi tayo. Wala kasi kayo yung last.
Tapos nila naman ang picture ko.
So you cannot sprout the
Wala akong fake news. Sir, pero ito yung ginawa ninyo. Ginawa ninyo what? Ginawa ninyo poster girl ng fake news. Wala akong fake news kahit isa. How can you all do that to me? Wala akong magpapicture. All immunity.
Somebody from
Diba?
somebody.
Immunity kayo eh. Ako, labang ko. Ako yung nilabang pamukha for fake news, sir. Tama ba yun? Wala ako kahit isang fake news na binigay na ginawa. Tapos,
No, sir, you're a better person than many of them because you stayed to listen
nilapas
to
nila
us.
ngayon.
So thank you.
And I couldn't even speak out.
So you're a decent person because ikaw lang ang nakikita sa amin. Sa iba, they just left us. Akala nila, tapos yung trabaho. Hindi nila nare-realize. Kaya you know, karma has a way of...
But I'm taking it to social media.
I
Yeah.
don't know.
Huwag muna tayong pag-waiting kay Hardo. Wala na si Ahmed eh.
Or at least text me.
Wala akong fake news. Wala akong tinuro sa inyo. And yet ako ginawa yung poster girl for fake
Ako sir, si Judas Idre, in out of context ako because in out of context, yung daw, pinutol niya, he did not tell the rest. That's why wala na kami sumayon sa akin. So I'm a trained journalist. I studied in the States, I studied in LaSalle, I studied in New York University. Pero gagawan niya ako ng parang fake news just because he hated me. And Judas Idre told my uncle na, alam mo kung sino gumagastos nito? Si Yeda para pagbayarin ka sa mga... Tama ba yun? Sabihin ako na taxpayer na si Yeda Romualdez gumagastos ng hearing na ko para pagbayarin lahat ng kasalanan. Kasalanan ko, pag-agree ako. Yan ang sinasabi ko. That's why I understand you guys. But I understand also that you have to not use the power of... Sir, yung fake news na yan, this is not the way. If you really wanted to know how to fix this is not the way. Nakaka-quiet lang kami, hindi kami takot kami magsalita. Kasi baka...
Siguro very